in a previous video, we have learned that we can have a client-side routing, but when it comes to the server-side routing with a clean URL, we have a bit of issue. So in order to fix that one, we are going to use Express. So I'm going to terminal and I'm going to stop my server and I'm going to install Express. And in the meanwhile, I am going to create a file in the root directory called server.js. And if you go to the Next.js website, we have a bit of boilerplate here. We can just copy and paste it, and it is not doing anything specific. As you can see, it just tried to render our application through the Express, and that's it. So the reason it shows red is because of our linter, and we are using the port 3000, and hopefully we will come back to this page later on, and as a part of our refactor video, we're going to just go through this one and make it more tidy. So our Express is installed, and now we also need to do a bit of more changes. And here, if we go to the package.json, we need to update our start, dev, and build. So I'm just going to copy all of them and paste them here, and then comma. As you can see, we are now using the test. I can get rid of it. This is what we have. So if I just now put npm run dev, now we are going just to run the server.js, and in the server.js we are using Next because app is using Next. I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to close this one too. I'm coming back here. I'll go to home page. We have everything works, yes. And I'll go to read more. We have this one, and I'm going to refresh, press enter, nothing works. So now we need to fix that one. So where we are sending, when we are just writing server.get, just to handle everything, we need to just write another bit of code. And that is server. We are telling the Express, when you're going to the pages like this one, if you remember, our page is blog and then slug, we can call it anything. So when you're going to the blog /blog/slug, then just do this one, request and respond. So we are going to say the actual page is obviously blog, and the query parameter query is going to be like that: id request dot param dot id, and from there I want you to just render the app. Render the app. I think it's red because I forgot to put that one there. Press Ctrl S. So we're going to render the app with the request and response and actual page and the query parameter. So I'm going to save it. So now we expect things work. However, we are passing the slug here, so this one should be slug, and we are going to check if it's going to work. So still not working, so I'm going just to restart the server, and let's see if it works now. And now I'm coming back here and refresh. And our blog page is working. So we have solved the issue by asking some help from Express. And we're just telling the Express if we are in a blog and then slug/slug, actual page is blog, but what we're really looking for is the ID, and the ID is that slug, and then we're going to render it. So probably we're coming back to this page again, but that's it for now.